Was there ever a day when grass could sing and dirt could bring an offering? Where dandelions were dandy and lions were to humans handy? Did eagles see farther than today? If snakes all talked, what did they say? Did they all speak the evil lies like the being found in paradise? How the mighty have fallen, now the grand cannot stand. How the rivers are calling in a glorious band. The stars sing for joy, and mountains they dance, and dolphins love doves, and rainbows entrance. The greatest loving heart was grieved to its core. How can we ever understand? He saw all and called it good, but the good rebelled against his loving hand. Now in webs of lies we live our lives, in worlds wound up like clocks. We live our days in a deadly daze while time passes tick-tock. Green grass gathers round my swollen foot, desiring to soothe with the healing balm. There is still good in this world. There is still room for calm. But oh, the time when all is new, at the restoration of all things. Jehovah comes like heaven's dew. He shall come to us like the rain. Oh, what terror struck to evil. Oh, what joy to lovers of good, when Jesus leads heavenly armies to fully reclaim his world. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. The King of glory comes with love, and what he touches turns to gold. A stream of glory rushes, the earth is filled. Wisdom waits for that which comes, though it tarries, it won't delay. The pure in heart live in the light of that coming glorious day.